Hello everyone. So this is Inspire Living here. At least that's what I know her as. Trying to show us how she was able to achieve a sleek ponytail. And like you all know that the way ponytail is being done now is different from the way it's being done in the 70s, 80s and all that. So now the ponytail is being done this way. Like you have to section a little bit of the middle or the back depending on where you want your ponytail to go. Pack that together, put a little gel, then you start with the front of your hair. You start putting them together little by little. If you want to do something different, like a style like what she is trying to do here, you can also do it. But the truth is, doing it gradually helps in not only being able to make you not to waste gel. That is, when you do this ponytail style, this particular style, little by little, step by step, you tend to use lesser gel than when you pack everything together. Then I remember that like a whole big cup of gel used to finish on our head. So doing it this way, it tends to take a little gel and it stays longer.